Now that we've got our vent window complete, while we have it out, now's the time to go ahead and put the run channel in that goes behind the vent window. You can see this piece has a molded corner. It's also got the clip that comes with it. So there is a left and a right. This one is the driver's side. The clip goes right up around this tab of metal, and you'll be able to bend that over whenever it's completely in place. And the rest of this channel just gets pushed in. So I've got it halfway sunk in now. I'll go back and make sure it's all the way tucked in. Your glass rides right through there. We've got our vent window frame back in. Essentially, it goes in just the way it came out. You turn it 90 degrees so you can get that bracket section through the gap between the door skin and the door inner frame. And whenever you get the chance to, you turn it back around and the bracket ends up right back where you put it. So this just goes right back in. I'm not going to tighten it down fully until we got all of our other screws set. So then we're setting in 3 screws that are held into this pillar. And then we can tighten down that bolt at the bottom. All right, so another part about this is we're going to tuck in this channel. There's a channel built into the door that this run channel is going to go through. There's a clip here that goes up into a hole. And the other thing about this channel is there is a space, a notch cut out right here that goes around this inner bracket. So we want to make sure those are lined up. And other than that, it'll just get tucked right in. We'll feed the excess down into the door. Making sure we stay where it needs to be. That's where these tuck tools really come in handy. So as we get down to the door, this part's a little bit trickier. What we're going to want to do is line up the channel, the run channel here, with the channel of the door. And then we're going to use the glass to help us seat everything in place. All right, so the trickiest part is to get the bottom edge of this run channel down into the bottom. So the way we can do that is as we feed it down, we'll try to stay as close to that channel as possible. And then use this inner hole to guide us where we need to be. And then as we get as far down as we can, we'll bring the window up, go down in here. Once the window's up, we'll be able to reach down farther, finish putting it in the channel, and should be good to go. So we've got our run channel installed. We were moving the glass up and down to make sure everything was sitting in the channel. And we're all done. Now it's all sealed up, has nice new fuzzies, not going to rattle. Job well done. And if you like this video, hit like, hit the subscribe button so you can get more how-to videos.